Hey everyone, the Beard Baron here. Today we'll be doing a beard routine with Waikiki from the sample set. Sample set 2, guys, is available on thebeardbaron.com. I received a lot of questions about how to actually use these samples, because these are not just to smell and see what they're all about, while that is part of it, but you actually get to use them. So each sample set, there's 2 of them for the Beard Baron, come with 3 vials, glass vials, 3.5 milliliters each. You can get quite a bit of uses out of these. A little hint for you guys, these also travel very well. It's a great thing to put in your bag and just travel with. You have access to 3 scents. So in sample set 2, we got Citrus Bay, Waikiki, and Orient Express. And today, I'm going to be applying Waikiki. Now, Waikiki is my undisputed favorite beard oil of all time. I'm gonna try not to do a whole geek out over my own products, but like I said, 3.5 milliliter bottle. There's no reducer or any kind of dropper in this, so once you pop this top, it's just a straight up open shoot. So what I like to do with these is I'll put up my palm like this, I'll put on top of it, flip it over, and just do a couple of laps while keeping contact with my palm. And I'll maybe lift up a little side a little bit there, yep. Put it back over. I got a nice little dime size in here. Again, applied to a damp beard. Oh, it's a tropical scent blend, and you guys know I love tropical scent blends of orange, coconut, and kiwi. It first launched way back as a limited edition before even private stock was a thing. And it's been around ever since. It got moved into the permanent collection. Waikiki, like I said, all-time favorite. I'm a sucker for the tropical scents. As always, large beard comb. So sample sets are a great way to try out a new scent, actually get to use it, and I also said earlier, to travel with. Hold up really well. So if there's something that you've been kind of eyeing, and some curiosity, you don't want to commit to a full bottle of beard oil, definitely check out the sample sets. As always, I'm big on applying beard oil every time out of the shower. With Waikiki being my favorite, and beard looks fantastic. So hopefully this was helpful to you guys. Like I said, I got a lot of questions about how to actually use the samples without spilling it everywhere. I mean, you could try to dump it out. If that works for you, fantastic, but I don't want you to lose a bunch of product in a weird oil slick, you know what I mean? So like I said, palm over the top, flip it over, rub it around, palm back over. The oil's on the thicker side, so when you take your palm off, you don't have to worry about it just running everywhere unless you have a ton of it in there. So you'll be able to get that quickly off. Put it on your hands, work it through, comb it through, and you've got a great, beautiful beard. Hopefully this was great for you guys. Like I said, you can find the sample set 2 and the first one's on thebeardbaron.com. Links are down below, guys. Definitely like, subscribe, do all those fun things you guys love to do. I'll talk to you soon. Until then, take care.